Is your Maytag Bravo's Quiet Series 300 dryer not heating? This video will guide you through the most common fixes: checking the thermal fuse, inspecting the heating element or gas igniter, and clearing the vent. We'll focus on practical steps to get your dryer working again efficiently. First, check the thermal fuse, a safety device that can blow and stop heating. Next, inspect the heating element for electric dryers or the gas igniter for gas models. Finally, clear any clogs in the vent system to ensure proper airflow. These practical steps can restore your dryer's efficiency. The thermal fuse is a critical safety device in your dryer. It automatically cuts power to the heating circuit if temperatures exceed 221 degrees Fahrenheit or 105 degrees Celsius, preventing overheating and potential fires. You'll find the thermal fuse located behind the dryer's control panel. It's a small component that protects the appliance from dangerous temperature spikes. To test the thermal fuse, first unplug the dryer for safety. Use a multimeter to check for continuity across the fuse terminals. A working fuse will show 0 ohms resistance. If there's no continuity, the fuse has blown and needs replacement. If the fuse tests bad, replace it with a new one. Thermal fuses typically cost between $10 and $15 and can be replaced with basic tools like screwdrivers. Always use an OEM replacement for reliability. For gas dryers, the igniter is a small electrical component that sparks to ignite the gas burner, providing the heat needed to dry clothes. If the igniter isn't glowing orange when the dryer attempts to heat, it's likely faulty and needs replacement. This prevents the burner from lighting. To fix it, unplug the dryer for safety, then remove the access panels to reach the igniter. Use basic tools like a screwdriver. Replace the old igniter with a new OEM part, ensuring it's the correct model for your dryer to avoid issues. This is a common repair for gas models, typically costing around $50 and taking 1 to 2 hours with proper care. Clogged dryer vents restrict airflow, causing overheating, no heat cycles, and can even lead to fires. Clean your dryer vent annually, or more frequently if you notice reduced drying performance. Here are the basic cleaning steps. Disconnect power, remove the vent hose, vacuum out lint, and inspect for blockages. DIY repairs for the Maytag Bravo's dryer can save money, with costs averaging just $50, compared to $200 or more for professional services, saving you 60%. However, electrical work involves risks like shocks or damage to the dryer. User forums report a 70% success rate for DIY fixes, but 30% of cases require professional help due to complexity or safety concerns. If you're uncomfortable with any step or encounter unresolved issues, always consult a professional to ensure safety. This infographic shows DIY trends, including where people find information like friends, family, or the internet, common tasks they undertake with online help, and potential consequences such as property damage or electrical shocks. This repair estimate shows typical professional costs for dryer fixes, highlighting why DIY can be more affordable while emphasizing the importance of professional help when needed. Appliance repair is increasingly DIY focused, with online tutorials democratizing the process and reducing costs. There's a growing emphasis on eco-friendly parts, using recyclable materials that lower environmental impact and support sustainability. In the future, AI-driven diagnostics in smart dryers will predict wear, alert users to maintenance needs, and reduce repair requirements by up to 40%.